Hey guys, welcome to Chef's Corner. We're in here in the kitchen. We're going to be cooking up nothing other than... Wait a minute. Tires? Cooking tires? Why would we want to do that? Well, it turns out I got these tires from a guy. And I don't know what he was thinking. Can you see that? Some pretty gnarly looking glue on there. Well, that's not tire glue. That's not even super glue. That looks like Gorilla Glue, not the good stuff, the wood glue. I don't know why he used this. Maybe he was smoking a whole bunch of really bad stuff or what, but he used it anyway. So I got to get it off of there. He also cut the foams. Foam, not a circle. Circle, not a circle. I don't know why he cut them before he put them in, but he'd also siped the edges too. You can see the ribs there. That would be to fit the rim a little better, but I don't know why he cut them this way. Now this one's not so bad, but this other one, I don't think I'm going to be able to save it. She's cut pretty jagged. I don't know. Well, I've been watching a few YouTube channels here, and they've been talking about boiling the tires to get the glue to deactivate or unstick anyway. So I thought I'd give it a try. If anything, you guys get to see me ruin a set of tires, or at least a couple of them anyway. I'd really hate to do that because the money I spent on them, but well, you win some, you lose some. I got a few more minutes left on this tire here, and then we're going to pull her out and check it out, and then we'll be right back. Alright guys, she's been cooking in the pot here for about 10 minutes now. They said around 10 to 15 minutes, so we'll take it out and check it. Well, this stuff's hot, so use your tongs as much as possible. Get all that water out of there. Take a look at it. Well, it seems to be coming off of there. Still pretty gobbed up. He really did a bang up job on these tires. So she is coming off though. Looks like it's going to be a lengthy process. So we'll throw her back in there, and then we'll check her in a few more minutes. Back into the pot she goes. Hey, welcome back. Just got this tire out of the old cooker pot, and it has loosened it up quite a bit, but now I'm just kind of trying to give it a little stretch now the tire's cooled down a little bit, just to help that glue come off of there just a little bit easier. Look at that big old chunks of stupid on there. I don't know why he put so much glue on there, and it had to be on the outside of the tire too. He couldn't put it on the inside. Had to mess up the outside. A couple of good stretches, and pull off what you can. Well, looks like we still got a long way to go on just this one tire, so I'll keep working at it. I got another one in the pot boiling up now, and then show you what I come up with. Hey guys, I've been hard at this for, well, I don't know, a good 10 minutes or so. She's flaking off pretty good. Got some nice chunkies in there. I don't know if you can see that. But what I'm doing too is I'm using this bad boy. Not a sharp one, not brand new. This one's pretty dull. But all I'm doing is just kind of going along, stretching it out a little bit, and just kind of picking away at it. kind of picking away. Get some nice big chunks off of there every now and again. And a big old chunk. You got half of it done. This whole half looked just like that. If you can see that. The light's kind of terrible. Look at that. Gross. There we go. See, look at that. This side right here look just like this side. Like I said, I've been hard at it for 10 minutes and I'm not done yet. I'm going to keep plugging away, keep you updated. But look at there. Not perfect. I still got to rubber down with some acetone, but just took a lot of that stuff off of there. There's the other side. I still got to get that side a little bit, but I think acetone should take that little bit off. It's just flaking. Alright, one down so far. 3 to go. As I'm going here, this is the second tire. I'm finding out after it cools a little bit, just lightly stretching these tires out. Don't go too crazy with them. It helps to loosen up some of the glue. Be a little easier. See, these chunks are just kind of pulling off of there now. Just kind of stretching a little bit. A couple good tugs, both directions. Just kind of pieces just kind of flake off. Look at them big chunks. Stretch it a little and pull the chunks off. It's just flaking away. Big chunks. Seems to be working out. It's a tedious process. I've been at it for a good half an hour now just on these 2 tires. But I got number 3 boiling in there, getting ready to take it off the rim. So we'll see how that goes. Well, I've pulled out the rim tire. Got the foam out, as you can see. It's cut too. Thanks a lot. But these tires actually aren't that bad looking. We got a little excess glue on there, which is no big deal. But another thing I noticed, you see how shiny that is? Well, you see this? It's kind of yellowed it. I don't know if I just had them in there too long, or if these tires are just real dirty. But it yellowed the rim. Well, if you're not looking for style points, just a basher like me, a little bit of yellow ain't going to hurt none because, well, it's going to be caked with mud anyway. Now, would I recommend boiling tires? Well, I suppose if you're on a budget like me and couldn't afford or can't afford a brand new set, yeah, I suppose. If you had the money, do what this guy did, I suppose, and just kind of sell them off to someone and let them deal with the problem and go ahead and buy a new set. Would I do it again? Not unless I was real fond of the rim, because this has taken me almost an hour now and I still got 1 tire left to go. We'll see what that one turns out like. Alright, this is the last one. I thought I would try to get this one off on camera for you guys. Kind of hear the glue letting go there. I suppose if you weren't going to keep the tires, this probably wouldn't be a bad idea. But if you're trying to save them like me, because the tires, I mean, they still got plenty of grip on them. The only reason I'm taking them off is because of the foam that was cut. And you can't run with foam like that. It'll off balance your tire. Even though it's on a monster truck and you're not doing 100 miles an hour, these tires are big and heavy. I got most of it off of there. Peel away at it a little bit. Don't want to go. Alright, we got a little bit left on there. Ooh. Looks like there's a broken rim too that I was not aware of till just now. Have to try and fix that. Well, we'll put her in the dunk tank again for a little bit longer and then we'll be right back again. While we're waiting for that guy to heat up, I just wanted to show you how much glue came off of these tires. Look at that. Look at all that. That is an excessive amount of glue. Way too much. Way too much. And here she is in the pot, boiling away. Flip her over a little bit. Alright, we'll be right back in a minute. Alright, she's been in there for a couple minutes anyway. Take her out, let her cool down a little bit. See if we can't get this baby off of there. Whoa, a little hot still. There she goes. There's that busted piece. A few tugs here. Well, got the old trusty knife. Give her a little persuasion. Oh, there we go. Nice. Now, try to get it unglued from the broken piece without cutting my finger off. Trying just to cut the rubber on the rim and not the tire itself. Oh, there we go. Sorry about that. Put the camera there. I had to pop this rim out. And there's that broken piece. You see she's raised up quite good. If you can see it right there. It's right there, broken. That shouldn't be too hard to fix. Let's see if he cut this foam too. Yep, sure did. I don't know why he cut these foams out, why you cut them. I don't know. Maybe he's having a hard time putting the tire on. I don't know. Wasn't a good deal. Go ahead and shut the stove off. We'll clean these up. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Come check out my channel, like, subscribe, comment below. Check out my other running videos, and for more tutorials and flight videos, snowplow videos coming up because it's wintertime here in Iowa. Yeah, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.